Now this here is an exciting little item to be opening. So 2.4 gigahertz wireless receiver, 8 to 10 meters of distance, and you got here this wireless Gamecube controller that's made to be like a Wavebird. So let's cut into this. We get 2 of them in this package, which is freaking phenomenal. Looks like I got a white and a black. And so as I open up this, we have, wow, it looks so authentic. There's a little receiver. I'm guessing I don't see any channels, so I'm thinking it's like independent to each controller. Like this receiver only works with this controller. So that's it from there. Oh wow, this brings back memories. I loved my Wavebird. Oh my God, that is so accurate. Oh, even those feel pretty accurate. Wow, I loved my Gamecube. Played the heck out of it. Got your little AA batteries spot there, 2 AA batteries. And yeah, plug this into your either Wii or Gamecube, and because it's got that port, flip this sucker on and it should connect in and you should be playing. Let's take a look at the black one. Receiver, controller, very nice. Yeah, really wanted it. Look at that. I like the little gloss around it some. That is phenomenal. I absolutely love these. As I mentioned, they use a proprietary Gamecube port, so these should plug directly into your Gamecube and it would not know at all that it's not a Wavebird. It would just think it is. And same for like a Nintendo Wii that has the Gamecube ports. Should be able to just plug this right in and bada bing. So that will essentially do it for this unboxing of these Gamecube wireless Wavebird style controllers. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.